सो मैं हूँ समृद्धि एंड आई वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं मेरी मम्मी की एक रेसिपी रिक्रिएट करने वाली हूँ एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट फेमस साबूदाना वड़ा and this tastes amazing. I think you should also try it. So check out all the ingredients which you required for this recipe. Okay, so I have to take a bowl, add some boiled potatoes, green chilies, and some groundnut crushed, and then you have to mix them all. And also you have to add salt as per the taste. No need to add any external turmeric or paprikana powder. After that you have to make small circles out of them, as you can see, and after that we will going to fry it. So first rub some oil on the palm and then make the circles. This will give you a clear shape. You can make another shape also as per your desire. Create the desired shape and get it fried. So here we are doing deep frying. Fry it until it turns golden brown, and also stir them occasionally. See, now it's golden brown, and now we are gonna serve them. So serving temperature is hot. You can use green chutney and some tomato ketchup with it, or mostly people like it like this only. There's no need of that. You can also use some fried chili if you are a spicy lover. So we are gonna take it out and then we are gonna serve it, and it's ready.